Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my So you can see I'm blending again with a small blending brush, and then I'm going to go in again with the bigger blending brush. With looks like this, blending is key because again I don't have a transition color, so I need to make the blue eyeshadow mesh with my skin. Now for the exciting part, I'm going to put a dark blue eyeshadow all over my lid. This color does have a bit of glitter, but not too much. It's still more on the matte side. Some more blending, but not too much. I just want to blur the line between my crease color and the dark blue. So we're done with the eyes for the moment. Now I'm just cleaning off any fallout from the eyeshadow on my face before I do my face makeup. I don't usually use this spray, but I thought because of such bold eyes, I may as well add a little bit extra to my face. Now for foundation, this one is one of my favorites, just because it is full coverage, but I can still see my skin. I'm using a blending sponge from Mr. Price. Now for concealer, I'm not using an actual concealer, I am using a foundation, but I really like this color on me. I like to leave the concealer under my eyes to sit for a while, so I'll always start with the rest of my face first, just so that I have more coverage and color payoff. Sometimes I worry that I left the concealer to sit for a bit too long, but that's the point. I wanted the color and it does eventually blend out. Now for baking, I bake immediately. I don't set first and then bake. I just go straight in with maximum powder. Now onto bronzing the face. I love this combination, it's the only one that I use. Hoola Toasted by itself is a bit too dark, but maybe if it was at night, then I could use it by itself. I don't use Hoola Toasted for my nose, I only use the face powder from Lancome. So now I'm going to be doing my lower lash line. I'm going back in with the same brush I used to put eyeshadow on my lid. I like to use whatever color is left on that brush, just so that it's not too bright under my eyes. Now onto brows. I just want to lightly fill them today. I don't normally fill my brows in during the day because it tends to look harsh on my face. Now that we're done with the eye makeup, it's safe to take off the excess powder. Now onto highlighter. This is one of my favorites from Makeup Revolution. I like to put a lighter shade under my eyebrows and then something closer to my skin tone on the rest of the high points of my face. Now for blush, this is becoming my most favorite thing to wear. I actually want to try a look where I just use blush, no highlighter on my cheeks. I almost put too much, but does that even exist? Now it's safe to finish off my brows using a brow gel. Put my lashes on off camera. I'm using Cava The Lashes in the style Zaza. So at this point my face is very powdery, so I like to put the Smashbox primer water just to settle in all of those powders, and then afterwards I put in the Smashbox setting spray to set everything and lock it in for the day. I always put mascara after spraying my face so that I don't have any risk of it running down. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, I just wanted to add some brightness in my inner corner. I'm using the lightest blue shade in the Revlon palette, and later on I will go in with a LA Girl holographic highlight to brighten it even more. That's more like it. Lastly, we have lip gloss, something neutral to make this look more daytime. And that's the final look. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please click the like button and share it with everyone that you know. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!